Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today we will discuss sustainable development in India, which is very important for all competitive exams. Sustainable development in India, that is balancing growth with green goals. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development means growth that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's like living a good life today but also saving enough resources for tomorrow. So, in simple words, we can say, विकास भी हो पर प्रकृति का नुकसान ना हो. Development happens but not at the cost of nature. India's journey towards sustainability. So, we will see India faces a dual challenges to lift millions out of poverty while protecting its natural resources. Now, how India is balancing both sides, we will see now. First is renewable energy revolution. India is the world's third largest renewable energy producer. Projects like National Solar Mission and Wind Energy Mission are transforming energy sector. Tour. Tamil Nadu is known for wind power generation. Pavagada Solar Park, Karnataka, one of the world's largest solar farms. Goal achieved 50% energy from renewable sources by 2030. Then comes second, afforestation and green cover. India runs massive reforestation campaigns like Green India Mission, aims to increase forestry cover by 5 million hectares. Namami Gange also includes planting trees along the Ganga's bank to protect biodiversity. Example is Miyawaki forests are being created in cities like Chennai, Pune, small, dense urban forests improving air quality and biodiversity. Third is sustainable transport. Delhi Metro became the first metro rail in world to earn carbon credits for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicles, EV policy, and schemes like FAME2, FAME, FAME2 encourage clean mobility. States like Maharashtra and Karnataka give subsidies for EV buyers, electric vehicles buyers. Fourth is waste management and clean India. Swachh Bharat Mission changed the way India looks at sanitation. Waste to energy plants in Delhi and Hyderabad convert garbage into electricity. Startups like Fool.co, Varanasi recycle temple flowers into incense sticks, a perfect blend of innovation and sustainability. Fifth is water conservation. Jal Jeevan Mission aims to provide tap water to every rural household. Traditional techniques like Rajasthan's Johad water ponds are being revived for rainwater harvesting. In Maharashtra, the Jal Yukt Shivar initiative has made thousands of villages drought. Sixth is sustainable rural development. MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act supports eco-friendly rural works like tree plantation, water harvesting, soil conservation. Self-help group SHGs promote organic farming and rural entrepreneurship. Example, Sikkim became India's first fully organic state. No chemical fertilizers or pesticides are being used there. Seventh is international commitment. India plays a leading role in the Paris Climate Agreement and G20 sustainability goals. Through the International Solar Alliance ISA, India helps developing nations to access clean solar energy. Why sustainable development matters to India? It reduces pollution and climate risks, ensures water, food and energy security, creates green jobs, improves health and quality of life, protects biodiversity and cultural heritage. India's development story must not be written in smoke and pollution. This is the thought, but in green energy, clean rivers and empowered communities.